Hey, welcome to Karnataka e-learning. Now let us discuss Indian economy of fifth semester. In this fifth semester Indian economy, now we are going to learn 10th five plan, its introduction and objectives. Now let us see in brief what is here five plan. The five plans were conceived to rebuild rural India, to lay the foundation of industrial progress, and to secure the balanced development of all parts of the country. The 10th five plan marks the return of visionary planning to India after a long interregnum of cautious optimism. During the past 2 decades, India has no doubt been one of the 10 fastest growing economies in the world, but we cannot be contented with this. Now, let us see what is FIRE plan. We'll see the definition. Here, FIRE plan is defined as any plan for national economic or industrial development specifying goals to be reached within a period of 5 years. It has been taken from Random House Dictionary. Now let us see what are the objectives of 10th fire plans. The main objective of the 10th fire plan is reduction of poverty ratio by 5% points by 2007 and 15% by 2012, providing gainful and high quality employment at least to the addition to the labor force. Next objective is all children in India must be in school by 2003. All children have to complete 5 years of schooling by 2007. There must be reduction in gender gaps in literacy and wage rates by at least 50% by 2007. Now, next is to reduce the decadal rate of population growth rate between 2001 and 2011 to 16.2%, increase in literacy rates to 75% within 10th planned period, that is from 2002 to 2007. Then reduction of infant mortality rate to 45 per 1000 live births by 2007 and to 28 by 2012, and reduction of maternal mortality ratio to 2 per 1000 live births by 2007 and to 1 by 2012. Then to increase in forest and tree cover to 25% by 2007 and 33% by 2012. All villages to have sustained access to potable drinking water within the planned period. Then cleaning of all major polluted rivers by 2007 and other notified stretches by 2012. Then economic growth further must be accelerated during this period and crosses or 8% by 2006. Then what has been achieved in 10th fire plan? Let us see the achievements and failures. Achievements are there is a reduction of poverty ratio by 5% points by 2007 and by 15 percentage points by 2012. Here all are provided gainful high quality employment to the addition to the labor force over the 10th plan period. All children in school by 2003, all children here completed 5 years of schooling by 2007. Then reduction here gender gaps in literacy and wage rates by at least 50% by 2007 has been done. Then reduction in the decadal rate of population growth between 2001 and 2011 to 16.2% has been achieved. There is an increase in literacy rates to 75% within the planned period. Then there is a reduction of high infant mortality rate to 45 per 1000 live births by 2007 and to 28 by 2012. It has been done. Then reduction of maternal mortality ratio to 22% per 1000 live births by 2007 and 11 by 2012 has been achieved. There is an increase in the forest and tree cover to 25% by 2007 and 33% by 2012. It has been done. So all villages have sustained access to potable drinking water within the planned period. It has been done. Then there is a cleaning of major polluted rivers by 2007. It was the objective. It has been being done and being implemented also. And other notified stretches are also up to 2012. It was extended. It is been done. Then now we'll see what are the failures of this 10-5 plan, what is not achieved in this plan. Since 2002, when the plan was operational, close to 45,000 farmers and landless laborers have committed suicide. This is a very important one. The average growth rate of this sector during the preceding 5 years has been less than the population growth rate in rural India. There is a real danger of food security here. During the plan, the state increasingly abdicated some its core responsibility towards the poor. The totally wrong notion that only market driven policies will help completely dominated the implementation of the plan. The 10th plan was no different. About 400 million Indians were functionally illiterate when the plan was launched in 2002. Though accurate numbers are hard to come by, the number of functionally illiterate Indians has all probably gone beyond 400 million. We have referred Indian Economics by K.D. Vaswa, Indian Economy by R.Y.K. Okay, now we have discussed this much. We other things we'll see in the next video. Thank you, and all. We'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you.